Hello everyone, I'm Prabhakaran. Welcome to Innovative Coach Academy. In this video, I will show you how to apply TCS Ninja hiring and full details give about the exam pattern and exam eligibility. Okay, a lot of people know about how to apply the TCS Ninja hiring. Okay, those people confuse that what is the TCS Ninja step, what is the TCS Ninja hiring. In this video, I will clearly explain the TCS Ninja hiring. Okay, let's start the section. Before going to section, anyone not subscribe my channel, you will subscribe my channel. Okay, for more updates. Okay, let's start the section. First, open your internet browser. Okay, in this Chrome browser, some issue rise in TCS Nestep portal. That issue is maintenance. The TCS web portal is under maintenance. You will use alternate browser, Microsoft Edge or Firefox or so on. Okay, you will face issue in Chrome. Okay, first I will open my internet browser, Chrome browser. Okay, I hope you will see that. In search box you will type TCS Ninja hiring. After give some result, it was official link for TCS website. Okay, I hope you will see that entry level page for careers. Let us build a greater future together. Register for TCS Ninja hiring, the year of passing 2022. Okay, then click on fresher hiring, the TCS careers. Okay, the official website was open. I hope you will see the register for TCS Ninja hiring, year of passing 2022. Okay, then click on no more. Okay, the TCS Ninja hiring official page was open. I hope you will see that the registration end date was 15 August 2021. The test date was 30 August 2021 onwards. Okay, the interview date to be announced post test result. Okay, after test result you will get, it will be announced interview date. Okay, registration is open. Okay, click on it. The Nestep portal was open. Okay, this is a Nestep portal. First I will discuss what is the TCS Ninja hiring and eligibility and exam pattern. Okay, after I will discuss what is TCS Nestep. Okay, first open that TCS requirement registration. Okay, this is TCS Ninja hiring, year of passing 2022. Okay, this eligibility is for BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, MSc from the year of passing 2022. Okay, the test eligibility is, hold on, the test eligibility was the percentage minimum aggregate for 10th and 12th and diploma and graduation or post graduation examination, the 60% or CIS CGPA. Okay, any backlogs is at least one active, that will be accept. Okay, and gap and break in education, it not considered after 24 months. Okay, the course type was only accepted full time, the not accepted by part time. The correspondent courses will not consider. Okay, the work experience, student prior work experience of up to 2 years. Okay, eligibility for the TCS Ninja hiring process. Okay, the age limit is student should be 18 to 28 years of age to participate in the TCS Ninja hiring process. Okay, the course and the discipline, the UG PG engineering course from BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA and MSc from any specification offered by the university, the college are only eligible to apply. Okay, the test pattern is, I will show the test pattern. The test pattern is split up the part A, part B. Okay, the TCS pattern for the TCS Ninja hiring. Okay, the cognitive skills was numeric ability 40 minutes, verbal ability is 30 minutes, reasoning ability is 15 minutes. Around the part A section is complete 120 minutes. Around it will take 120 minutes. The part B section, it will take the programming logic and hands-on coding. Okay, the programming logic is was take around 15 minutes and hands-on coding was 40 minutes, around total 60 minutes. Okay, the total test duration is 180 minutes. Okay, this is the TCS Ninja hiring your application process. Okay, how to you will apply. First log on to the TCS Nestep portal. This link was given here and then given here. Okay, registration open. Okay, first you will register in TCS Nestep. This doesn't matter, you will create your DT ID. After you will after in Nestep portal you will give some credential, ask from TCS engineering. After you upload your resume and your candidate photo, and then click on apply to drive. Here in this scenario, the two scenarios are split up. The scenario A, scenario B. The scenario A is for already have the login ID for TCS next step. It will be easy to apply. Okay. The scenario B is you don't have any ID. Create, you are a new user, you will create a new ID. You kindly click on registration now. Okay. We'll choose category as, it's very important area, choose category as IT. In this TCS next step, show IT category and business category. Okay, you will select IT category, that will be accept only for TCS engineering 2022 passing year. Okay, I will now explain that scenario A. If you have a registered user, kindly log in and proceed the complete application form. Upon the submission, click on the apply for drive. It's very easy process. I will show you in a video. Okay, follow my steps. First I will instruction about how to apply the TCS engineering. Okay, then you will select your mode of test, in center or remote. Okay, in this COVID pandemic, I will select the remote. You have infrastructure, you have a perfect infrastructure, you will select remote. You don't have any infrastructure, you will select in center. Okay, I think in center is very easy because face any issue from that. Okay, in a remote sometimes also current was cut, some problem you will face arise, you will have perfect infrastructure, you will select remote. Okay, then click on apply. Okay, then step 4 was to confirm your status, the check that track your application. In video I will show you. Okay, the status should be reflect applied for drive. Okay, I hope you all know that. Okay, don't miss that. Okay, now enter to the TCS next step portal. Okay, I hope you will see that how to open the TCS next step portal. You will just click on registration open, or else you will click on this area, the application process. Step 1 is log on to the TCS next step portal. Click here. Okay, I was successfully open. Then click on registration now. Okay, in this area select your category because it's very important area. You will apply for the TCS engineering 2022, you will select information technology. Okay, don't select the business process service. Okay, first you will select IT, information technology. After registration page was open, I hope you will see that. First you will enter your name. Here you will give your candidate name, select your Mr. or Mrs. or doctor. Okay, you will complete a doctorate, you will select your doctorate. Okay, here you will give your first name. I will enter my first name Srinivasan. Okay, then you have give your middle name. You don't have middle name, you doesn't consider that. Okay, it will consider as main name is first name and last name, short name. Okay, will give it will here you will give your short name. Okay, then select your date of birth, give your date of birth. Okay, okay, then select the month. Okay, and what year you will birth. Okay, okay, then select your gender, the female or male. Okay, it will automatically show the male. Okay, then you will enter your email ID. Okay, this email is very important. Okay, for communication. Okay, it is important to enter your email ID carefully as it will be used for all communication from TCS. Okay, after that you will enter your valid phone number. Okay, you have in a handly. Okay, don't forget your phone number. Okay, I will enter my phone number correctly. We'll check it twice a time. Okay, then enter your institute name. Okay, you will search your first, you will search that your institute name. Okay, in case you don't give any result, you will enter your manually in your name. Okay, first I will search that my college name. Okay, okay, my college name is Eco College of Engineering Technology. Okay, and the year of what qualification, and you will enter what qualification. Okay, my qualification is a Bachelor of Engineering. I will select the Bachelor of Engineering. With the Master of Engineering will select. Okay, the year of passing for highest qualification. Okay, which qualification you will select, that year of passing you will select. Okay, you will select 2022. but I will select 2024 because my brother was year of passing is 2024, because I will show example for you. Okay, you people, you will select the 2022 because this TCS offer ninja hiring. This is for 2022 passing. Okay, year of passing 22 passed out. Okay. Okay, now I will select the 2024, but you will select 2022. Okay, and then select your nearest test location. I will select that nearest test location is you will says that. Okay, Chennai is available nearest test location. Okay, you will Pondicherry, you will select the Pondicherry. Okay, then give your enter password. This very carefully you will enter the password, don't forget that. Okay, then re-enter your password. Your password doesn't match. Okay, again I will enter my password. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, I will enter my password and re-enter password. Here I have faced some problem. The password must in 8 characters in lowercase and uppercase and numeric, and any symbol asterisk or at and anderson, any symbol. Okay, this kind of characters are in your password. Okay, I hope you will know that. I hope you will see that. Then select your security question. Okay, what is your nationality, what's your pet's name. I will select what's my pet name, what is your pet's name. Okay, here answer to security question. I will give my pet name Tommy. Okay, then enter your captcha. Okay, okay, before you will click on a submit button, you will check your details. It will give correctly. Okay, okay, it was correct. After verify your details, click on submit button. One pop-up window is open. There's Srinivasan as please confirm your email ID and mobile number, your registration email ID and your registration mobile number. You will confirm, click on the confirm. Okay, okay, after you will successfully registration in a TCS step, one page was open. This page was very important. You will take one screenshot. Okay, it is your reference ID, this is DT number. Okay, for all further communication with TCS, this ID is mandatory, don't forget that. Okay, you will copy that or take screenshot. Okay, because very important this ID. Okay, in future it will be used. Okay, it's for you. Okay, I will take snap. Okay, then I will click on continue. Here give some details about your email ID verification. Okay, you click on continue. One pop-up window is open. Here you will give your password. Okay, click on submit. Next, navigate to your official page. The next step registration page was open. Here you will enter your application form. Okay, wait a minute. That was is this its home page in a TCS next step. Okay, here you will select your application form. You click on application form. I hope you will see that. Okay, first you will read the important instruction. Okay, first you will enter your personal details. Okay, enter your father name and the last name and your address. Okay, after click on save and continue. I hope you will know that are the permanent and present address same. You will click on yes. Okay, then enter your email ID and alternate number and save and continue. One pop-up is open, click on yes. Okay, you will enter correctly. One tick mark was open. I will open my TCS Nestep portal. Okay, this was my brother. Okay, now I will show what credential asked from a TCS. Okay, here you will enter your highest qualification institute and your graduate and year of passing. Okay, and your graduate details and enter your 12th grade and equivalent diploma. Okay, you will complete 12th, you will enter this kind of credential. Okay, then enter the 10th grade and the SLC class roll number, 10th roll number, and add any qualification, click on yes. Okay, here give some result. You don't have any qualification, click on no. Okay, and enter your here you will enter do you have any relevant work experience, click on yes or no. Okay, and click on declaration. Here ask for do you have any break in studies, have you done any other courses, have you any pending backlog currently. Okay, answer for question correctly. Okay, this question for we have taken all subject marks, CGPA and total marks are mention academic qualification. Click on yes or no. This is the mock CGPA and obtained enter your must above mentioned academic qualification has been secured in first attempt. Click on yes or no. Based on your that was a this all are question for you will give yes or no. Okay, this is a declaration. Finally you click on agree. You have any participate any TCS relevant contest inform and so on. Okay, previous year. Okay, you will select yes or no. Okay, I will select, click on agree and save and continue. Then you will add your nationality and your language. Okay, add here you will add your language, and if you have any language certificate you will add the area. Okay, I hope you will know that. Then click on save and continue. You have any achievements in your past years and your academics you will add in this area and it will add in your resume. Okay, then add, click on save and continue. Here you will give first name and last name and upload your candidate photo. Is all or maximum is 500 KB. Okay, here you will upload your CV is a curriculum vitae, this is a resume. Okay, I hope you will know that. Okay, after successfully enter your personal details and your CV and your photos, then click on save and continue and click on application preview and submit application form. After one window is open, here apply for drive button is available. You will click on it and your registration process is continue. Okay, you will track your registration form. Okay, I was open my home page. You will track my application. Here you will show that the candidate registration registered on 24/7/2021. Okay, when you will apply successfully, here you will in status. Okay, what status you will ask? Applied for drive. Okay, in status you show apply for drive. Okay, after you will eligible to write exam, TCS Ninja hiring exam. Okay, now I will open my ID. I will show what credential I will give in my account. So log out my brother account. Okay, we want to back to login screen. First I will log in my account. Okay, this is my account. View my application form. I hope you will see that green color tick mark. It will be show in 4 tab. Okay, after complete, after show that green tick mark, the 4 tab, above 4 tab, the drive button was open. You will click on it and you will track your application form. Applied for drive, you will eligibility to write Ninja hiring exam. First I will show my personal details. Okay, I will give my personal details. Okay, I hope you will know that. Then click on save and continue and enter your highest qualification. Select your college and your highest qualification, year of passing. I was year of passing 2022 and your graduate. Okay, enter your college name and full time or part time. Okay, and enter your CGPA and enter your 12th grade and enter your 10th grade. Okay, hopefully all of know that you have any done courses or not. You will click on yes or no. Okay, and click you have any work experience, you click on yes or no. Okay, then ask the question from TCS. You will select your declaration. Okay, then add your other details, nationality and your achievements and your CV and your resume. Okay, then after successfully you upload your resume and asking from the TCS engineering. After successfully enter your personal details and your academic work and experience details, other details. and click on the application form preview and submit the application form. Okay, after you submit the application form, the drive button is available. We click on the drive button and track our application. The application is tracked by, and click on track my application. Here you will status show applied for drive. Okay, after you will successfully registered in TCS Next Step, and you are eligibility writing to TCS Ninja Hiring. Okay, I hope you will see that how to register, and you will know what is the TCS Next Step, what is the TCS Ninja Hiring. Okay, in year of passing 2022. Okay, now I will log out my TCS Next Step portal. Okay, leave in comment. Then I will show my brother email. I have received email from TCS Next Step. Okay, I will show you. Open my email. You will see that TCS recruitment registration successfully. Okay, the TCS recruitment entry level. Dear Srinivasan, yes, congratulations, you have successfully registered on the Next Step portal, and your DT reference ID is okay. The successfully email from TCS recruitment. Okay, here's some instruction about how to apply the application form. Okay, this all information I was told in a video. Okay, see you next video. Okay, bye. Yesterday I was posted about TCS Ninja Hiring exam pattern syllabus in my website. The link was given below description. Go and use it. The learn from the scratch. Okay, I hope everyone know that and everyone understand that. Okay, any queries leave in comment. Okay, bye. Thank you for watching video. Don't forget hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Okay, bye.